Making money on YouTube without directly earning revenue from ads or other monetization features is possible through various indirect methods. Here are some strategies. 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services in your videos and include affiliate links in the description. You earn a commission for each sale or referral generated through your affiliate links. 2. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands or companies to create sponsored videos where you feature their products or services. You can negotiate payment or compensation for sponsored content directly with the brand. 3. Sell merchandise. Create and sell branded merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or accessories related to your channel's theme or content. Use platforms like Teespring or Spreadshirt to handle printing, shipping, and customer service. 4. Crowdfunding. Encourage your viewers to support your channel through crowdfunding platforms like Patreon, Ko-fi, or Buy Me a Coffee. Offer exclusive perks or rewards to your patrons in exchange for their support. 5. Offer services. Utilize your expertise or skills to offer services such as consulting, coaching, or online courses related to your channel's niche. You can promote your services through your videos and direct viewers to your website or online platform for more information. 6. Become an influencer. Build your online presence and leverage your influence on YouTube to collaborate with brands on sponsored content, brand partnerships, or ambassadorships. Brands may pay you to promote their products or services to your audience. 7. Create digital products. Develop and sell digital products such as ebooks, presets, templates, or online courses that provide value to your audience. You can promote your digital products in your videos and link to them in the video description or on your website. 8. License your content. License your videos, footage, or creative work to media outlets, production companies, or other creators for use in their projects. You can earn licensing fees or royalties for the use of your content. 9. Attend events or speaking engagements. Participate in events, conferences, or speaking engagements related to your channel's topic or industry. You may receive speaking fees, event sponsorships, or opportunities for networking and collaboration. 10. Build an email list. Grow an email list of subscribers who are interested in your content and niche. Use email marketing to promote affiliate products, digital products, or services, and nurture relationships with your audience. By implementing these strategies, you can monetize your YouTube channel indirectly and generate income without relying solely on ad revenue or monetization features offered by YouTube. Do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on such content.